Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Turbotenant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Turbotenant is a rental management app designed to help landlords and property managers handle tenants, listings, and rent collection all in one place. It allows landlords to list properties, screen applicants, sign leases digitally, and collect rent online. For tenants, it provides a simple way to apply, sign documents, and pay rent through a secure portal. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is user-friendly and works smoothly across devices. Landlords appreciate the quick setup and the ability to post listings to multiple websites with one click. Tenant screening is detailed and includes credit, criminal, and eviction reports. Rent collection is streamlined, with automated reminders and payment tracking. That said, there are some complaints. Some landlords mention delays in receiving rent payouts, especially during weekends or holidays. Others report occasional glitches in the application or messaging system. For tenants, application fees are non-refundable, which can be frustrating if they're not approved. Also, a few users feel the lease templates could offer more customization. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Turbotenant is worth using if you're a landlord looking for an easy, all-in-one rental management tool. It's cost-effective, feature-rich, and simplifies both the tenant and landlord experience. Just be mindful of processing times and read the fine print on lease templates and application fees. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.